Motorola W315 Keypad replacement. Turn off the phone. Turn the device over. Remove the battery cover. Insert thumb in the gap between the button and the battery and pry the battery upwards. Pull the battery out of the phone. Insert the new battery. 4 5mm screws are visible, circled in red. Using the T6 tool, remove all 4 5mm screws and set them aside. Insert the plastic opening tool between the front and back panels of the lower half of the device. Slide the tool around the entire frame of the device until it has loosened. Remove the back of the device. Using the plastic opening tool, gently lift the circuit board off of the 4 gray pegs that it rests upon. Use the plastic opening tool to remove the chip connected by magnetic strip to the screen. Remove circuit board. Apply pressure to the side buttons to remove them from the frame. Turn the device over and push the keypad to loosen it from the frame. Turn the device over again and gently pull the keypad away from the frame. Warning: keypad may not respond due to unclean button contacts. Make sure the button contacts remain clean throughout the disassembly and reassembly of the phone.